Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Pad Air, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. Now, to get started, all you need to do is open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this. So just make sure that in your case the content that you want to capture is visible on a screen, like home screen is for me, and from there all you need to do is hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll get this pop-up with scroll and share option, and after a moment it will disappear. Once it does, you can find it in your Photos application. I'm gonna go back to the main page like this one. So it's usually where you would be located at, and it will show your screenshot right at the front right here, as you can see. But later on, if you want to find a screenshot or one of the screenshots down the line, weeks later maybe, you can find it in a significantly easier way by going into the album section and then screenshots. And here you'll find screenshots and also screen recordings, as you can see. But there we go, there's the screenshot that I have captured. So anyway, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.